Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be going over to CPA versus affiliate marketing. This is the first video, the first actual training video of this course, okay? So, what is CPA marketing? CPA stands for cost per action, okay? And the main difference between CPA and affiliate marketing is with CPA, the customer doesn't need to actually purchase any product, okay? We can have different types of CPA offers like email submits, where the person you refer has just to submit their email and you get a small commission of like $1 to $2. Then you can have a credit card submit, that is when you get paid when somebody submits their credit card on a specific website. You can get paid on a trial. You can get paid even if someone purchases an actual product. That is CPA also, okay? Cost per action, cost per acquisition, okay? And CPA does have lower payouts than affiliate marketing products, but you can also have high ticket CPA offers, which we'll be talking in the next video. And affiliate marketing is basically where the customer actually has to purchase a product, take out their credit card and pay, okay? It is harder to convert, but there's also a higher payout. So guys, these are the two examples of this is a CPA offer. You basically get someone to submit their email and you get paid $1 or $2. And this is a affiliate marketing example, Amazon Associates, where when you refer somebody to the site, they purchase a product and you get paid a percentage of the sale, okay? So in the next video, I'm gonna be going over to different types of offers you can have, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.